Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. So this is the third video of this particular topic. So in this video, we'll do a few examples. So first example is for the to find out the complementary function. So example 1 is solve d4 minus 6d cube plus 12d square minus 8d y is equal to 0. See, the first step is already done in this question. So, solution, the given equation is d4 minus 6d cube plus 12d square minus 8d y is equal to 0. Now, the auxiliary equation is d4 minus 6d cube plus 12d square minus 8d is equal to 0. Okay, so we can take what we can do. We can take d common from all of them, then it will be d cube minus 6d square plus 12d square minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, we have taken d common, so it will be only d. So if you see, it will be d cube minus 4d square minus 2d square plus 8d plus 4d minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can do what we can do. We can write it like we can do d cube minus 2d square on one side and minus 4d square plus 8d on one side plus 4d minus 8 on one side. So if we take, so we can take d common from, sorry, d square common from here, so it will be d minus 2. From here also, if we take 4d, so it will be d minus 2, and from here 4, so it will be d minus 2. So we can take d minus 2 common from all of them, so it will be d, and if we take d minus 2 common from all of them, then the remaining term will be d square. Just write it down again. So it will be d minus 2. The remaining terms are d square minus 4d plus 4 is equal to 0. So it will be d minus 2. If you see, this is the d minus 2 whole square. Okay, so now we have d is equal to 0 and 2, 2, 2. So if you see, we have three similar terms and one different terms. So the required solution, that is the CF will be the general solution. So we can write it directly also. So it will be C1E0x plus C2 plus C3x plus C4x square e power 2x, where C1, C2, C3, C4 are constants. Okay, so if we write it down, the required general solution is y is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3x plus C4x square e power 2x, where C1, C2 and C3 are constant. So this will be the final general solution of particular this given problem, that is this one. Okay, now let's do one example for the complex term. In that we have the complex one. Okay, so example 2. Example 2 is d4 plus 8d square plus 16 is equal y is equal to 0. Now the solution will be the auxiliary equation is d4 plus 8d square plus 16 is equal to 0. Now if you see, we have this is d square whole square plus 2 into 4 d square plus 4 square is equal to 0. So if we see, this is the square of d square plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. So from that the roots are d is equal to 0 plus minus 2 iota, and we have the repeated roots. Then if we have the repeated complex roots, then the complementary function, or we can say the required general solution is y, because we have only this term, so the CF will be the general solution. CF, that is, it will be e power 0x c1 plus c2x cos beta x, because in that we have alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 2 in alpha plus minus iota beta form. And the form is, if we have roots like that, the repeated roots, then it will be c1 plus e power alpha x, c1 plus c2, c1 plus c1 plus c2x cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x sin beta x. So here alpha is equal to 0, that's why e0x, and beta is 2. So it will be c1 plus c2x cos 2x plus c3 plus c4x sin 2x. Okay, where c1, c2, c3 and c4 are the arbitrary constants. Okay, that's it for today's video. We have done 2 examples. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.